Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail account security. And in this video, I will show you how to easily detect phishing email in your Gmail app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. Not every mail you receive in your Gmail app are actually clean and secure. However, there is a way, an easy method for you to identify a phishing mail that might wanted to attack you or hack your Gmail app. And as a result of that, I'm going to show you what exactly you need to take into consideration in order to play safe out there from some of these notorious scammers and hackers of Gmail. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open the mail content. So I'm going to open up this mail content. Just like what you can see right here, if you take a look at the mail content, it's going to look somehow and not well organized. Okay, now take a look at this particular mail right here. Hey creator, spotted your YT recently while looking for partner who do privacy content. So you can see the first red flag here is that no a reasonable person will send you a brand promo content or a brand partnership and give you an abbreviation. That's one thing you need to know right here. They keep giving abbreviation right here. This is one of the first red flag. So instead of writing the abbreviation, they will compose the mail in a well-organized manner. So this is the first thing you need to take into consideration. The mail body is going to be poor and inorganized. The very last thing you need to take into consideration before you can go ahead and prove that this particular mail is phishing mail is that from the URL right here, click on here. So when you click on that, then you find the URL that they used to send you mail. This is the URL mail. This is the URL sender right here. So you can see their name right here and the URL. So what we want to do here now is to do further research based on this particular URL. For that, I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL link. So I will click on Hostjan. Then I'll make sure I highlight only the URL link. Only the URL link. After you highlight, go ahead and click on copy. Once you copy the URL, exit from the Gmail, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Google. The next thing you want to do is to click on search right here and then go ahead and paste the URL. Hit enter to search. Now you find out that the mail is not connected. This site can be reached. Check if there is a typo in the URL right here. It is because I'm using a very strong security connection on my Chrome browser. So as a result of that, any phishing website or mail that I placed on my Chrome right here is not going to be connect or load. No matter how long I reload the website, it's not going to reload and open the site. If I click on reload right here, it's not going to find anything. Once you cannot find a useful information about particular URL, not even an article or the web page, consider the mail as a phishing and stop mission to continue your conversation with that type of people if you really love your Gmail account without any stress. It's that simple. So this is how to spot a phishing email in your Gmail app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to be safe on internet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.